Hello, 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. Today I have special recipe for you. I make Dungeness Crab. This crab recipe is my most favorite way to eat crab. There is so much flavor when you cook the crab this way. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by slicing the ginger. Then we need to cut the green onion. We don't want it too small for this recipe. The next step would be to split up the crab, but I have already done that before making this video. Next, let's crack an egg and beat it. Let's heat up the oil on medium heat. Now coat the crab in cornstarch. Then we need to deep fry it. We are going to cook the crab shell separately, so don't coat it. Add the crab into cook. We only need to fry it for a minute before taking it out. Now take the white part of the green onion and ginger, then add it into the water. Cook the herbs to release the fragrance. Then add the crab back in. Then we need to add water, sugar, salt, oyster sauce, and white pepper. Now, before adding the crab shell into curd, you need to add the egg in, then place it on top. Finish it off with Shaohsing cooking wine and close the lid. After 3 minutes, flip the crab shell and cook it for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes it up, remove the lid and add the green part of the green onion in. Mix it together. Remove it from the heat and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. I can't wait to eat it. It's delicious. The crab is so juicy and so fast. It tastes sweet and savory, and very fragrant from the onion and ginger, and very rich flavor. So delicious. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。